Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove multi-account login on Instagram. So let's start. First, open the Instagram app. First, go to your profile from bottom right corner. Then tap on three bars on top right corner and go to settings. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on multi-account login. Here you will see that my two accounts are set up. Now to remove this option, all you have to do is deselect the account. Now tap on your second account to deselect it. Then tap on remove. And then go back. And here you will see that setup multi-account login is showing up. And that's how you can remove your multi-account login option on Instagram. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.